In the last clip, I asked the rhetorical questions, what should your SLE actually be? What should your cycle time target be? How big should your chunks be that you work on? And I said, I don't know, it depends. I mean, there is no really strong answer. There's not something that I can say, here's what your SLE is, because it depends on the team. It's the team's SLE, and it really helps to know how they've done in the past. And in order to do that, you need, well, data. So for that data, we want the historical data for how the team has delivered in the past. And that data is the history of cycle times. So you're going to look at stuff that they've already done. And from that work, from the historical cycle times on things they've already done, you're going to extract what is the team's likely service level expectation, their cycle time targets. Now, some of you out there are thinking, hey, I've got a new team. I don't have any data. What do I do? In the beginning, your SLE might just be a guess. And it might not be particularly meaningful because it's just a guess and it's not based on any data, but don't worry about it. Because as you deliver, you're going to get that data. And you're going to get that data pretty quickly, especially if you focus on minimizing your work in progress and shipping things and driving things to done as fast as possible. Now, where do you get this data from? Let's say the team actually has been working together for a while. Where is the data? Well, hopefully you've been using some kind of a tool to do your project management. Azure DevOps, GitHub, maybe Atlassian tools like Jira. These things are capturing that data as you go. So you create an item, you start working on it, and when you're done, you close it. Speaking specifically about Azure DevOps knows when something has hit the in progress mark, and it knows when it's exited the in progress mark. And under the surface, it's tracking cycle time for us. That data is all there, and we don't have to do anything particularly special to get at that data. Now, if you're using Azure DevOps, I've got a free tool called Azure DevOps Utilities. And as part of this tool, there are a bunch of different flow metric utilities. Stuff that'll calculate your suggested service level expectation. Stuff that'll show you your aging work, show you your cycle time, show you your throughput. And also tools for forecasting when particular things are going to get done. So go to that URL, download it. It's free. If you have trouble or if you run into bugs, please drop me an email. So anyway, hopefully you've been tracking how your team has done and tracking the data about delivery. And that from that data, you can extract your cycle time. Next up, I'm going to show you how to do the SLE math, and we're going to do it using Excel. So next up, SLE demo using Excel.